Hello, welcome to the Out There channel. I'm just going to do a test run off my new alien avatar. Here it is here on the screen, a little icon which I can double click and start up before a live stream or any time during it. And it interacts with the microphone, as you can see. Starts talking, and sometimes its eyes turn blue. Hey Susan, do you like the blue eyes? How about Shelly? She gets freaked out by the alien eyes. That's when they apparently meant to calm you down with the blue eyes. So yeah, shall I send them along to calm you down there, girls? Okay, so as you can see, louder I talk, the bigger the mouth. Hello, 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 hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. I think I did a pretty good job of coding it actually. So it's using my laptop mic instead of my headset mic because I couldn't figure out how to change that part of it. But the laptop mic is quite sensitive, as you can see. And the other bonus is I can play these clips here and feed the sound from the speakers from the laptop to drive that avatar if I want to. So let's just put it up. So the alien head is in time to use it there. It won't. Oh, will it work with the reader? Only if I put it through the speakers. Hello. Rain is cool. Agree. Well, actually. That lands in a minute. Well, actually, a pink alien. A pink toned alien. Because a hybrid. I bet it doesn't say it right though. I suppose I should say hybrid that way. It might say it right. Hybrid. Let's see if it reads out. Put up the speakers. Read.
Hello, my name is Paul the Grey Well. Actually, am a pink-toned alien cause I'm a humbride.
Humbride. Humbride. So how are we going to spell that? Hybrid. Probably won't say it right. Hello. My name is Paul. Let's see if punctuation improves it.
Hello, my name is Paul. The Grey Well. Actually, am a pink-toned alien cause I'm a humbride.
Okay, I got double N there. Still got hybrid, can't say hybrid. Perhaps if I spell it wrong. Hybrid. Anyway.
Hello, my name is Paul. The Grey Well. Actually, am a pink-toned alien cause I'm a humbride.
Humbride. Bread. Bread. I suppose I've got to spell it with an E. Let's just see if that says it.
Humbride.
Close. Whom bread? Whom. I was gonna spell it. Oh, well, that's close enough. Sort of reads it out too fast though, really, doesn't it?
Hello, my name is Paul. The grey will actually in the pink-toned alien costume whom bread.
Because probably because I didn't have a thing between. It's not intelligent enough, is it?
Hello, my name is Paul. The grey will actually in the pink-toned alien costume whom bread.
It's probably closest. I'm never going to play around with it. Probably the other readers will probably do it better. Let's have a look.
Hello, my name is Paul. The grey well actually I'm a pink-toned alien cos I am a whom bread.
That probably said it a wee bit better. Sounded a wee bit like Stephen Hawkins though. Well, there you go. Geekcraft is not the only one that can code a avatar with the microphone. Except for aliens don't really have much expression, unlike your human face, apart from the glowing blue eyes. What else we got here? Google Translate. I think I got rid of the other one, didn't I? Oh well. So, what else can we do with it? That's good that I can toggle over top. For some reason my mixer lost all its settings and my PC crashed, so hopefully it's not going to stuff up future live streams. This is just recording to the hard drive, so I don't have any other settings got lost. So it's scary when you come back and you find your configuration file for a particular program is trashed. So I should be able to put that up there as well. And I've got rid of that horrible flicker I was getting. And I'd be able to put it above the chat window. And there you go. You don't have to have me on the screen. And that kind of looks quite more professional, I think. See what you guys think of it. I don't know. I'm not really good at modifying other people's art to make it fit my agenda or needs, I should say. Yeah, but that's pretty good. I think I did pretty good there. We just lost one sub, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Probably Google mucking around. Hey, so his mouth should be like a dark pink, and when he really screams, it turns black. Hey Susan. What else can we try before we close it down? We had the Kiwi. Man in black. That's got to go and screw it up. I like the eyes flashing in time to the music then. Looks like the music makes them scared. So it's not the men in black we need to be worried about lately, it's the woman in black. Yeah, I had a bit of trouble with a certain lady that used to be part of our group trying to put Robert against me. But I never did anything. Making up lies about me. Anyway, watch out for the men in black, but be more careful of the woman in black. Because they're out to destroy the UFO field and put people against each other. Okay, might just end it there. I can't think of anything else I need to check. Looks like it's mostly working. Can't do the counters because it's not live. Oh well, I might do a live stream in the middle of the week if I can get the files snapshot for the presentation. So still lots of work to do. So I'll say good night and leave it there. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll see you again soon.